It's estimated that 80% of people in a care home are living with dementia. In 2013, the Alzheimer Society surveyed relatives of care home residents, and it was found that less than half felt that their family member was being offered opportunities for activities. In April 2015, the cARTrefu programme was developed by Age Cymru. The purpose of the programme was to increase opportunities for residents and staff to participate in the arts, and to develop and mentor artists to deliver sessions for older people in care settings. Age Cymru recruited professional artists in Wales, who were then supported by experienced mentors delivering weekly participatory creative sessions with residents, staff and family members over 8 to 12 weeks, inspiring and reigniting a passion for creativity. The first phase of the project ran between 2015 and 2017. Phase 2 between 2017 and 2019, with the current phase running from September 2019 to the end of August 2021. 3,217 residential and nursing care home residents, staff, volunteers and family members in 194 care homes have participated since the beginning of the programme. An independent evaluation of the first phase by Dementia Services Development Centre Wales at Bangor University found that the programme had a significant impact on older people's well-being, as well as staff attitudes towards residents, especially those living with dementia. Staff gained the confidence to lead creative activities themselves and were more likely to seek out cultural experiences outside of work. While this evaluation provided strong evidence of the impact of cARTrefu, it was felt that an SROI analysis would provide further evidence on the social value generated. An SROI analysis collects information to tell the story of how change is being created by measuring social, environmental and economic outcomes, and uses monetary values to represent them. From this analysis, it was discovered that cARTrefu delivers a social value of between £4.53 and £9.08 for every pound of investment. Based on rigorous evaluation and assumptions based on previous research, the estimated social return on investment is £6.48 for every pound invested during the first 2 years. The legacy of cARTrefu in the care homes goes beyond an increased appreciation of the arts and into fundamental elements of person-centred care. Staff spoke about how the sessions had improved their relationships with residents. cARTrefu has also influenced artists' own practice and resulted in several short films, sound recordings and touring visual art exhibitions. Overall, the cARTrefu programme has very real social value and continues to have a positive impact on the social care sector. The cARTrefu programme is delivered by Age Cymru and funded by the Bearing Foundation and the Arts Council of Wales. The independent evaluation was led by Dementia Services Development Centre Wales, Bangor University, and supported by the Centre for Ageing and Dementia Research.